the movie Kyo Ho Gaya Na. It talks about Vivek Oberoi. He was Arjun, and he's in love with Diya. But initially there was some kind of friction, and Big B has enacted the role as a caring uncle. So he chalked out a plan because she was insulted by Arjun. He got Sunil Shetty, who was a friend, a dear friend of Diya. But Sunil was in love with Diya Mirza. But he was the producer and the director of the movie. Only to make him understand his folly. What he did, he made him realize his folly only when Sunil was about to tie the knot with Diya. So he was heartbroken. He thought that he has betrayed, like he has been betrayed by her. He earnestly wanted her in his life. And there was also an orphanage who was run by Big B, and the kids were loved and taken care of. But there was a family who wanted to adopt, but knowing that the boy was a bit handicapped, they rejected the offer. And these people became very furious. They said that you have come to take a child, and just knowing that he is not able to walk properly, you rejected, you cannot, that's why God has not given you any child of your own. And then what exactly happens? Om Puri is Arjun's dad. Rati Agnihotri is his mom. And Diya, when the day Diya is getting married to Sunil, she has covered her face totally so that nobody could recognize her. And then the truth was revealed by Big B. He said that this was all a story made by me, cooked by me. She is in love with you, but just I wanted you to understand your folly. So now both of you be together, and Diya Mirza is married to Sunil, and Tinu Anand is also there as a friend. So one of the songs is very catchy and very good. It has been choreographed in a very good way. It's raining, and it's shown, umbrellas are shown. You will see, then only you can enjoy. So the movie, bottom line, no matter what happens in the journey of life, when we trust each other, when we love each other, care for each other, everything falls in place. And orphanage is a place where we need to shower lots of love. And those parents who just want to adopt someone because they are very fair, just for looks, and then reject, they should not have any child anyway, as is shown in the movie 4 stars.